Hello, today I'm gonna to show you how to crochet the motif to make the suave top. You need to prepare some Monet impression, a 2.5mm top, and scissors. Take your yarn. Make a knot. Chain 6. Back to the first stitch, make a slip stitch to connect the beginning and the end. Now you have a ring.
Chain 1 to begin.
Work a single crochet into the ring. Chain 3. This is one loop. Repeat single crochet, chain 3 6 times. Slip stitch into the first stitch. This is the first round. Work one slip stitch between 2 single crochets. Chain 3 as a beginning double crochet. Chain 3. This is a group. Repeat double crochet, chain 3 6 times. Make sure the double crochet should be worked behind the 3 chain stitches from round 1. Slip stitch into the third stitch from the beginning chains. This is the second round. Chain 1 to begin. 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet into the chain 3 space. This is a group. Repeat this pattern 6 times. Each of the groups should be worked into the chain 3 space. Slip stitch into the first stitch. This is the third round. Chain 1 to start. Work 1 back post half double crochet around the double crochet from round 2. Chain 6. This is a group. Repeat this pattern 6 times. Slip stitch into the first stitch. This is the fourth round. Slip stitch into the chain 6 space. Chain 6. Work 8 double treble crochets into the chain 6 space. Chain 6. Slip stitch into the same chain 6 space. This is a group petal. Repeat this pattern 6 times. I finished all 6 petals. Swap stitch into the first stitch. Cut your yarn. This is how you make a motif. Comment down below to let me know what you like to see next time. See you.